Hey, today we're going to make a really nice recipe. And when I say nice, this is a recipe that is in vintage format. It's potatoes O'Brien, but in a casserole format. So it's very simple to make. It's going to feed a large group. And there's something about a vintage recipe that just hits better, right? Like it just hits home. It's tasty, it's savory. It's pretty simple. Let's get into it. Begin potatoes O'Brien with dicing up an onion. We also dice up a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper, and then we are going to heat these vegetables in a little bit of olive oil on the stove. We're going to add our green bell pepper to the onion there, the red bell pepper next, and we just want to heat these up until they soften a little bit. We're going to mix them together until they become fragrant, a little bit soft, and we're going to get ready to add the frozen hash browns next. Now, we don't want to cook these 100%. We're just going to incorporate them with the vegetables, mix them together, and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're soft. Next, after that, we're going to take our mixture and place the mixture in a large mixing bowl. After that, we're going to start by adding our cream of chicken soup. We're going to add milk. We're going to add melted butter, a cup of sour cream, our paprika, and our garlic powder. Next, we're going to add our shredded cheddar cheese, and we're going to mix this very, very well until it's all incorporated, which may take a few minutes. Now, this is right before the magic is going to happen. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, about this much and about that much. Now we're getting ready for takeoff. We're going to grease a 9x13 pan. We're going to add that whole mixture to the 9x13 pan. So you're just going to dump it in as best you can. It gets a little heavy here, and you're going to even it out in the bowl or in the pan. So we're going to press that down and make sure it's evenly spread amongst the 9x13. Now, I didn't have any crushed cornflakes, so I crushed up crackers, some Ritz crackers, and I'm going to sprinkle those on the top here. And I'm also going to add some melted butter just to make sure that that becomes nice and crispy and savory in the casserole. We're going to cook this at 350 degrees uncovered for 45 to 60 minutes. And there we go. We're going to place that in the oven there. Now I'm going to pop up a recipe card for you to take a quick screenshot of with your phone so that you'll have the recipe for potatoes O'Brien casserole. And if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button so we can see more of each other. All right, let's get that casserole out of the oven now. All right, so here we go. Order up potatoes O'Brien casserole. She looks so beautiful, right? Look at those crackers and that butter that just melted in to the top there. Let's test drive. It's a great little side dish, or you can eat it as a meal as well. Look at that. Oh yeah, nice chunky potatoes, the green bell pepper, the red bell pepper, the cheese. I mean, look at that. Ooh, nice and warm too. All right, let's test drive this. Hopefully it's not too hot. It won't burn my mouth, but oh yeah, it's delicious. It's been an old family recipe that I've made for decades, generation after generation. Found this in an old magazine a super long time ago. This has always been at the table, especially at the holidays, but even on a nice Sunday dinner, I've always thrown in the potatoes O'Brien. It's just a nice classic, isn't it? So delicious. And you know, this casserole just hits a little bit different. It's creamy. It's got the soup in there, the cream, the butter, the milk. I mean, it's a 10 out of 10. So hey folks, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.